Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to join a tuple to a list using an extend function. So let's start the tutorial. Now the command is my file name.py, enter, and notice here I got this is a list and this is tuple. I join both the collections using extend function. After that I have converted this list of collections from list type to the tuple.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials, and here we got the Python-tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. I am creating a new Python file called join tuple to list using extend function. So here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is I want to join the tuple to a list using extend function. Basically my aim is I want to show what the purpose is using extend function. In interview they will ask what is the extend function. So simply tell extend function is belongs to the list collection. When we want to join any other type of collections, for example tuple, dictionary, strings or sets, you can join easily using the extend function to a list. Only list we need to extend. So first let's define list 1 is equals to apple. Let's give some fruit names here. Banana, mango and kiwi. Now here I am adding one more variable called tuple for tuples, and tuples I am adding red and blue with some color names. Now my aim is I want to concatenate this tuple into the list. So print first we require to list1 dot extend function tup1, then print list1. That's it. Now let's save this file, save all, go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. The command is join tuple to list extend.py. When I click enter, notice here I got apple, banana, mango, kiwi, red and blue. This tuple is added to the list using the extend function. Now if we enter us, it's the output we got in a list of collections. Now I want to convert this list to a tuple. So simply use here in the list 1, this is tuple, print in the below print tuple type is equals to list1. That's it. Now again save this file, save all. Let's write the command, enter. Oops, here I got this is type, this is tuple. Sorry for that. Let's clear this one. We'll save this file, save all. Now the command is my file name.py, enter, and notice here I got this is a list and this is tuple. I join both the collections using extend function. After that I have converted this list of collections from list type to the tuple. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to join a tuples to a list using extend function. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.